Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be taking a look at how to install VMware tools on your Ubuntu machine. So in my case I am using VMware Fusion and running Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, the latest release from Ubuntu. So if you haven't watched my previous video about how to install Ubuntu, you can check that out. And after that, you can follow this video in order to install the VMware tools. You just log into your system after you booted up the OS. Once you are logged in, just go to applications and search for terminal and open the terminal. So the first thing that you need to do in order to install VMware tools is install all the updates that are available for your current release. So for that, just go ahead and type sudo apt update, and it is going to get all the latest repository lists from the Ubuntu depend sources. And after that, just go ahead and also upgrade. I have already done this process, so there are no packages that need to be upgraded or updated. So just do a clear, and after that we are ready to install the VMware tools. So just go ahead and type sudo apt install open vm tools dash desktop, and also open vm tools and hit enter, and it is going to install VMware tools on your system. As I have already installed VMware tools on my virtual machine, so is showing me that latest version of VMware tools are already installed on your system. So to the installation, now you can just drag and drop files into your virtual machine and copy those files on your desktop. Like just if I go to terminal. Now if you go ahead and see that there is the file that we just copied. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, do comment down below, and thanks for watching.